Did you know that when people sleep, these cancer cells wake up? The most dangerous part of cancer is when cells from a tumor get into the bloodstream and move to another part of the body to set up shop. This is called metastasis. A study has found that circulating tumor cells, or CTCs, are more likely to get into the blood of people with breast cancer at night than during the day. Most scientists first thought that cancer cells were so messed up, so highly mutated, that they would never follow a schedule like this, but they were wrong. In a recent experiment, scientists discovered that the number of CTCs in the blood of tumor-bearing mice varied according to the time of day the blood was drawn. So, they wondered if this could happen to people too. Therefore, scientists checked the blood of 30 breast cancer patients twice, at 4 m and 10 m. The results were astounding. Nearly 80% of the circulating tumor cells were found in the blood that was taken at 4 m, when the patients were still sleeping. At first, scientists were not surprised because it is thought that tumors always send out circulating cells, but the data was overwhelmingly clear. Next, the scientists had to find out if this was true for more than just these few people. They again turned to mice for answers. The team put breast cancer tumors in mice and checked the CTC levels of the animals throughout the day. Mice have an inverted circadian rhythm compared to humans. This means that they are most active at night and usually sleep during the day. The team found that the animals' CTC levels were highest when they were sleeping during the day. In hospitals, doctors measure CTC levels in the blood as a type of liquid biopsy to see how cancer is getting worse. This new discovery cautions that taking a blood sample at the wrong time of day can give you wrong information. This means that doctors might have to change how they keep track of cancer. Scientists say that the reason human breast cancer cells are more active at night is likely due to a number of factors that still need to be looked into. One factor could be hormones, which are one way the body tells you it's time to wake up or go to sleep. The team found that giving mice hormones like testosterone or insulin changed CTC levels. Depending on when the hormones were given, the CTC levels went down or up. Understanding how this process works could one day lead to better ways to treat cancer, but that day is probably still a long way off. Scientists say that more researchers still need to figure out how circadian rhythms and cancer are linked. In the meantime, scientists say that people with breast cancer shouldn't think of sleep as their enemy. In fact, some studies have shown that people with cancer who usually sleep less than 7 hours a night are more likely to get worse. And messing with the circadian rhythms of mice can speed up the spread of cancer. The results don't show that you don't need to sleep or that you need less. It simply means that these cells like to enter the bloodstream at a specific point during the 24-hour cycle. If this content is for you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below.